If you want to create custom headers and footers with Elementor for free, then this video is for you. After watching this video, you will be able to create custom headers and footers just like this. So let's get into it. So first of all, we need to install and activate a few free plugins, and the first plugin is Elementor Header and Footer Builder, which is probably the best header and footer builder plugin for WordPress. And the second plugin is called Elementskit Addon. Let's install them. So this is what the site looks like with the default header and footer. Now let's add a custom header. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance. Now click on Elementor Header and Footer Builder and you will see an interface like this. Now click on Add New, then click on Skip. Let's give it a name. Then select the type of template that you want to use. Here I'm creating a custom header, therefore I will choose a header template. Once you have done that, a few more options will appear. The display on option, as the name suggests, lets you select where the template, or in this case the header, should and shouldn't appear. You can also add rules, and next we have user roles. You can set it to all if you want the template to be visible to everyone. Otherwise you can change it. You can also enable the canvas template as you see fit. Now let's publish the header and open it with Elementor. Once you have opened the template with Elementor, you can either start from scratch or import a ready-made header template using the Elementskit. So let's import one. Whether you import or create from scratch, you have to use the nav menu widget by Elementskit to display the menu. To do that, search for nav menu widget, then drag and drop it. Now let's select a menu. Here I want to display the primary menu, therefore I will select it. And you have successfully added the menu. Now you can customize the menu and make it responsive and whatnot. And that's it. That's how you create a custom header using Elementor for free. So how to create a custom footer? To create a custom footer, again go to Elementor Header and Footer Builder and click on Add New. Give it a name and select the template type as footer. Now start editing. As usual, you can either create a footer from scratch or import a ready-made template.